Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Leslie and today I'm going to title this Tidy Tuesday. I'm just trying to keep the house tidy each day, run the vacuum, do small loads of laundry so that when I come home from vacation my house will be clean and ready to start a whole new week going back to work. So we're going to start with laundry, then I'm going to do all of these floors and then the bathroom, and we'll move upstairs. All right, let's get motivated. All of the shoes and the rugs and the things, you don't see all of this dirt. Oh, but I do now. We got to get that clean. We can't. We're not coming home to all that nonsense, okay? Thank you. All right, I'm going to spare you the long, drawn-out version of me vacuuming because I have to go over every board at least 5 times when I see this much dirt. So I'm just going to give you a little clip, okay, of me going over one small area, but just know that when I turn off the camera, I'm going back over this part at least 4 more times, okay? Alrighty then. Did you know you're supposed to drain your washer? I've had this thing for like 2 years and haven't ever drained it. But there's a little door down here. Let me bring you down so you can see. Okay. Now, and it says, get the hose. It should be in here. Perhaps it is not. Where's the hose? Oh, is there a hose here? Yeah, this hose. Okay, we pull this hose out. Okay, we pull this hose out and we put it like that, and then we turn this. Okay, the water's coming out from right there instead of the hose. Not exactly sure why. But we're draining it. Maybe I should have finished reading the directions. Let's tighten it up for a minute. Let's see what the directions say. Pull out the hose, put it over a thing. Turn it. It looks like you take it off. I don't know what that picture means. Oh, okay. Clean it with a toothbrush and all kinds of things. Okay, well, here's my hose. Maybe I need to take this out. That would make sense. Okay, my name is Leslie. Thank you. All right. There we go. There we go. Okay, then we're going to take this off. If it will. Lord knows. What's the problem? Oh, there it goes. Oh, yeah, that needed to be cleaned. Okay. Fantastic. I think I need to do that a little bit more often. Can't believe I took so long. I was kind of scared of it. That's why I didn't do it. I was like, I don't know what I'm doing. Whatever. Gotta be brave. Gotta be brave and take care of your stuff or it's gonna go bad. Okay, so then line it up so it goes back in there. We don't know exactly how that happens. Okay, it goes this way. But how? Maybe it goes this way. Yes. Okay. So, to show you closer, all you do is unscrew this to the left, take the little, it's a screw cap, screw it until it comes out, okay? You see it? And then you drain this into a bucket. Then you clean this out with a toothbrush or whatever. If there's stuff on it, clean that filter, put it back. Take your little piece and screw it back in. See, I'm not good with reading directions. I just figure stuff out. I need to be better about reading directions because these things are costly and this will help it to run better for a longer period of time and I won't need to have service on it. Okay? And you just shove that back in there. Clip it right there so that it looks like that. Oops, sorry. And you're good. Now, I got a little heavy-handed on this, but we can pop that right back on. Okay? Make sure you're doing that every 3 to 6 months. I don't do that much laundry, so that's why I never really worried about it, but I'm going to do it at least every 6 months. And if it isn't that big of a deal, I'll take it to a year, but definitely clean it out. And that concludes today's laundry lessons with Leslie. Let's say that 3 times fast. No, not without coffee, okay? Yeah, ready. do tell, my dear friends. What's up with the cat? Actually, I know what's up. He loves running water, and he thinks that I'm in the kitchen running water just for him. Little did he know that I was washing dishes, so when he came to inspect and tries to kiss on me and make me do what he wants and finds out that I'm not, he's carrying on, okay? Yeah, I had decided that I was going to do the floor in here because I had not done it in a week. And, you know, we can't come home knowing that we've got 2 weeks of dirt on this floor. So we did that one, and then I did the living room and dining room, again, sparing you from the long, drawn-out 5 times over each board, and just giving you a sneak peek. Alright guys, I'm going to end Tidy Tuesday here. I hope that you found this motivational or entertaining. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up or hype it if you're on your cell phone. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on that bell so you're notified every time I upload, and I'll see you real soon in the living room.